Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, backup camera, adaptive cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.